Ndewonu Igbo ndị ọma ndị nke m, kedu ka unu mere? Hello my amazing Igbo language learners, how are you all doing? Our Igbo word for today is the word Dike. Okwu Igbo nke taa bụ Dike. Dike n'asụsụ Bekee pụtara warrior. Dike, warrior. Dike, warrior. A warrior is whoever you think a warrior is. Let's leave it like that. In your own definition, you can call somebody a warrior depending on what that person means to you. So, for an example, Nimat, you can say, my father is a warrior, which means Nnam bo Dike. Why do you say my father is a warrior? Probably depending on the things your father has done for you. And then you decide that, oh, my father is a warrior. So your father can be your Dike. So Nnam bo Dike. You can also say Nwanne m nwoke bo Dike, which means my brother is a warrior. You can also say Nnamdi bo Dike, which means Nnamdi, who is, anybody can be your Nnamdi, is Dike. I know you've learned something new today. Please make your own sentences with the word Dike in the comment section. See you tomorrow. Please don't forget to subscribe. Kemesia.